Good morning, and it's Vlogmas day 29.
Each time I make a memory, then I'll try to make it with you. I take a picture and close one eye, and then it sticks like glue.
Just got out of church. It's pretty early, or at least for me on a Sunday. It is 9:50 right now, and JJ is at home with Javier. I went to church by myself because the church was like at 8:45, and JJ was still asleep when I left the house, and I didn't want to wake him up. So yeah, he's at home right now with Javier, and I'm gonna go do grocery shopping by myself. It's like a dream come true again. I've been grocery shopping by myself like lately, and I'm loving it. Okay, I'm home from the grocery store, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do a quick haul before I put things away. I'm fixing the mat. Okay, so this is what I got. Costco, I've got multigrain crackers, pop chips, which is already open since I got really hungry, so I started eating them. Power greens, yogurt, 6 avocados. These are quite ripe already, so which is good. I don't have to wait like a week. And then Granny Smith, Gouda cheese, and that's that. And then at Wegmans, I've got 4 cans of this organic soup for Javier's lunch this week. And also almond milk, salami, and I also got this. This is the sweet orange that I could put on my oil diffuser. And then at Giant, got applesauce, yogurt. Here, I got you yogurt. No! Do you love it? Alright, I got 5 yogurts for JJ, and Salvadorian cream, Italian breadcrumbs, Salvadorian cheese, tortilla, celery for juicing, and also 5 thingamabobs of bananas. Yes.
I got.
Oh yeah, you're playing with your car again, huh?
Papa.
So that is my grocery for this week. We didn't do a whole lot of groceries last week because we still have a whole bunch of stuff in the fridge. So today was kind of like a big, not really. But yeah, but these are the things that we kind of need this week. So yeah. This is the diffuser that I use, the oil diffuser. It's by Green Air. What's that say? Green Air something. I cannot see. It's that. So, and it changes color too depending. I think it's like purple, blue, green. I think that those are the colors. But every time you reuse this, you have to wash it. And the way I wash it is I bought this little mister thing, and I put in vinegar, like half a cup of vinegar and half a cup of water, and I just kind of like just spray the inside of it. So like this one. So I just spray it. And then this one also, let me just pour the water out. And just spray. And also it came with like a little brush, so you could like brush it if there's any oil down there. You won't even feel, or you won't even smell the vinegar once you wash this, so that's pretty neat. So that's how you wash this little thingy-mabobber. And here's the brush that came with it. See that? So you just kind of just brush the base of it to get rid of like the oil, any oils that are kind of like down there. I don't really see anything, but I just like to brush it. So you just brush, and then you just rinse. Okay, so it takes about like, I don't know, less than 5 minutes to clean this thing. So once you're done cleaning, you put water right below that water line, and then you just put everything together again. So that's that, and then this one. Depending on if you want the mist facing you, you just kind of just turn this little knob, and then the mist will start like, you know, going towards you. Or if you want it away, you could just turn it away. And then you just put 5 drops of whatever oil you have. So today I am doing the sweet orange, and it says brightening. So I'm gonna just put like 5 drops in here, and then I can start smelling the goodness stuff. job. Oh, Mr. Dominguez.
My turn.
You're not gonna hold it by yourself, okay? Don't try. Hard. Right.
Buddy, Jay, hi. Good job, bud. Was that fun? How are your arms?
Your arms tired? Tired? Not tired yet? Keep it close. Alright, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes.
What do you think? Look, Jay.
That stuff.
Look at this one. Don't you have this at home? Is this the one?
They're on trains.
Is this the one we have? Huh? Oh, look, Jay.
That's with my ass.
Yeah, that's the one we have. Yeah, it means that they're on trains.
Look at this tractors, Jay.
Oh man, this one's even longer.
This one is longer. Calling it a night. We had guests over and I didn't really vlog because that would just be awkward. So, yeah, calling it a night. Sorry if this, I don't think this vlog is short, or maybe it is, but sorry, it's just one of those days, you know, and that is that. We will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. You say bye?
Bye.